In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Discord stream paused problem. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. If in any case you're trying to stream your game on Discord and it keeps pausing and it's not working properly, here are some quick fixes. So the first thing you can do is to first restart your Discord application. So you just want to click X on the Discord window, quit Discord, and just reopen it again. Now, the next step you can do is to optimize your Discord settings. So first go to the settings, choose voice and video, scroll to the bottom and under the screen share section, turn off this setting. Also turn off this setting. Now restart your Discord application. So the next thing you can do is to run Discord as an administrator. Now again, the next step is to keep your graphics drivers updated to enhance Discord stream. So what you want to do is find your drivers in the NVIDIA or AMD, depending on your driver, and just find the drivers on the website and download the updated versions. Now, solution 5 is to ensure a solid internet connection. So make sure that you are connected to a stable and optimal internet connection. Solution 6 is to simply refresh your voice settings. So go to your user settings and choose voice and video. Now scroll down and find reset voice settings at the bottom. Now click on reset voice settings. Now confirm the reset to revert all voice settings to default values. So if all of the solution doesn't work, you will be needing to seek Discord support. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.